Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Strat Pickup Covers is probably one of the most sought-after guitar accessories for Stratocaster players, offering a blend of protection, aesthetic enhancement, and even tonal influence. In this video, we will explore the top-rated Strat Pickup Covers available on the market, comparing their materials, designs, and overall impact on your guitar's sound and appearance, helping you choose the perfect covers to match your style and playing needs. Number 5. 3 PCS Brass Guitar Pickup Covers. It's made of high-quality brass, ensuring durability and a long lifespan. This makes it a reliable choice for your electric guitar. Installing and removing it is a breeze. This simple design makes it user-friendly for guitarists of all levels. Its simple yet elegant design complements any guitar style without being intrusive. It enhances your guitar's look. It's a perfect replacement for worn-out or damaged pickup covers. It's professionally designed to match your pickup seamlessly. This cover shields your pickups from scratches and damage, keeping them in top condition. It's a great accessory for your electric guitar. You get 3 covers in one pack, providing you with spares or options for different guitars. It's a cost-effective and convenient solution. What we like. It's made of durable brass, ensuring longevity. Installation is a breeze, saving you time and effort. Its elegant design complements any guitar style. If you need a long-lasting, easy-to-install cover that enhances your guitar's look, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Gold color looks great. These are symmetrical. Number 4. KAISH Mint Green ST Pickup Kit. Upgrade your guitar's look and feel with this stylish kit. It's easy to install and will give your instrument a fresh, modern vibe. This kit is made of durable plastic, ensuring long-lasting use. It's built to withstand regular playing and maintain its vibrant color. The pickup covers have a pole spacing of 52 mm. Please double-check your pickup's pole spacing before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. The volume and tone knobs are designed for 5.8 mm diameter pots, and the switch tip is compatible with most Asian-made import switches. If you're unsure if this kit will fit your guitar, please contact us. We're happy to help you find the perfect match. This kit is designed for easy installation, allowing you to quickly upgrade your guitar's appearance. Enjoy the transformation. What we like. This option offers a unique mint green color to personalize your guitar. It's a complete kit including knobs and switch tip. It's designed to fit most guitars, but double-check your measurements. If you're looking for a stylish, complete upgrade kit, and want a pop of color, this is for you. Number 3. Fender Vintage Strat Pickup Covers. These are authentic Fender replacement parts, ensuring a perfect fit and superior quality. They're designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing Stratocaster. The set includes 3 sleek, black covers. They'll give your guitar a classic look and feel. It's compatible with a wide range of Stratocaster models, both vintage and modern. They're a great way to upgrade your instrument. Please note that these covers are not designed for noiseless pickups. Make sure to check compatibility before purchasing. These covers are made in the United States, upholding Fender's commitment to quality and craftsmanship. You're getting a piece of American guitar history. Installation is straightforward and can be done quickly. You'll be enjoying your upgraded guitar in no time. What we like. These are genuine Fender replacements, guaranteeing quality and fit. The classic black color is a timeless choice. They fit various Stratocaster models. If you want authentic Fender quality and a classic look for your Strat, this is the one for you. What people say. Fit my 2024 Affinity Squire Stratocaster. They look great, match the pick guard perfectly, and are fairly scratch resistant. Fit better and have nicer edges than the generic brands. Number 2. Fender Stratocaster Pickup Covers. These are authentic Fender replacement parts, ensuring a perfect fit and finish for your Stratocaster. They're made to the highest standards, just like the originals. The sleek, white finish adds a touch of timeless style to your guitar. It's a perfect complement to any Stratocaster, regardless of its color or era. You get everything you need in one set, 3 pristine white covers, ready to install. No need to search for individual parts. They're designed to fit a wide range of Stratocaster models, both vintage and modern. It's a simple upgrade for a classic look. These covers are not compatible with noiseless pickups. Please double-check your pickup type before ordering. What we like. These are genuine Fender parts, ensuring a perfect fit and finish. The clean white color adds a fresh look to your guitar. They're compatible with many Stratocaster models. If you value authenticity and want a bright, clean look, this is a great option. What people say. Perfect fit and color match. Fit perfect and they look amazing. Perfect fit for Pro 2 Strat. Number 1. Fender Strat Pickup Covers. These are authentic Fender replacement parts, ensuring a perfect fit and superior tone. They're crafted to the highest standards for lasting quality. The elegant parchment finish adds a classic touch to your Stratocaster. It's a timeless look that complements any style. This set includes 3 covers, providing everything you need to refresh your pickups. It's a simple upgrade with a big impact. They fit a wide range of Stratocaster models, both vintage and modern. Upgrade your instrument easily. Please note that these covers are not compatible with noiseless pickups. Always double-check compatibility before purchasing. Installation is straightforward, making it a simple DIY project. You'll have your guitar looking great in no time. What we like. These are genuine Fender replacements, offering superior quality and fit. The parchment color gives a vintage vibe. They work with a range of Stratocaster models. If you appreciate authentic Fender quality in a classic, vintage aesthetic, this is perfect for you. What people say. Fender plastics make aging easy. Fit perfectly over MIM Strat pickups. Perfect fit for Fender American Standard pickups. I've had problems with third-party covers that don't quite line up with the pull pieces or the mounting screw holes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.